Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it's been a long time since I uploaded a new video. Sadly, I lost my brother in the month of November and it was really very tough for me and my family. Anyway, I'm back again with a new unboxing video. It's a PC motherboard CPU RAM combo which I ordered from SCIGWL.com. So let's get started. You can see this is the SATA cable for the hard disk, and this is the metal plate for the backside panel of the motherboard. And now, as you can see, this is the Nanotech H61 motherboard, and this is a mini ATX motherboard. Sorry for the poor camera angle, I couldn't show you the motherboard completely. I have taken some shots which I will show you afterwards. This is the 4 GB DDR3 RAM module. It has 4 SATA connectors, 2 DDR3 RAM slots, 1 PCIe 16X slot and 1 PCIe slot. And coming to the back panel of the motherboard, we have 6 USB ports. 4 of them are 2.0 USB, and we have a VGA and 1 HDMI port, 1 LAN port, and 3 sockets for speaker and mic. This is the connector for the ATX power supply. I will remove the CPU fan as well as the processor for you. It's easy to remove the CPU fan. You just need to remove the 4 locks and the connector for the fan. This fan is from Zebronics, and I will remove the CPU fan. Now you can see they have applied the thermal paste very nicely. You just need to lift off the CPU. So this is the Intel Core i5 processor. It's the Intel Core i5 2400 processor, and the clock speed is 3.1 gigs. And finally some more shots of the motherboard, so you get a good view of the motherboard. So that's all guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to comment as well. Till the next time, God bless you. Take care. Bye.